Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this green screen painting video on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to place it on top of another video, for instance this one, or you could find like a longer one that's the same duration as your video of you painting, maybe this one. So I'm just going to go to this part. Of course, you're going to want a better view of you like painting it, and this is just an example. Go to cutout, select chroma key, and select the color picker and select the green area. Now it's going to remove some that are not included like this as well. But again, I hope your video is like way better than mine because it's going to like still show some green, but it's going to basically paint like it basically looks like you're painting on a video, which I think is really cool. But again, you'd want a better video of you like painting like green. This also works for markers, etc. if it's green. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.